Arrived at Komodo Airport, and this is the main attraction, the Komodo dragon in wood. It's a big dragon. It's very poisonous and dangerous. If it bites you, you will die. And also you have it over here. So you see everything is concentrated, or everything is about the Komodo dragon. Komodo Island itself is a wonderful area. It's quite expensive in comparison to Bali or Lombok, but still, it's still a gem to be. Labuan Bajo, look at this wonderful sunset. It's at the backyard on the hills. The port of Labuan Bajo at sundown. Wonderful scenery from here. I will take the boat to Komodo Island and the other bigger and little islands around. At the boat, and let me show you a bit of this wonderful view I have. We are at the top of the boat, at the front of the boat, sailing towards the different places. We are snorkeling today. Let me get more on top of here. It's quite hot. The ground is quite hot. So this is how it looks like. See another boat. And over there is where you have dinner, lunch, breakfast. And at the top there are people sitting, enjoying the view. Broad morning, 5 o'clock. Heading to the island. Beautiful view. It was quite a walk until here. You have to climb a lot of steps, but the view at 5:30 a.m. in the morning is worth it. You see it from here. Wonderful. Dusk. Sun comes up. Beautiful. Wonderful view despite the masses of people, despite the mass tourism. Look, the sun is going up. It's about 6 in the morning. Perfect photo spot. Look at this crystal clear turquoise water. Same over here. World famous pink beach. This is the pink sand. Look at this. It's really pink. And the water comes up on it. Looks like this. Pink Beach, Komodo Island. Turtle over there. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. I cannot zoom much, but there are two turtles, very beautiful ones. They're probably looking for food. And look at this amazing view. So, Don Juan, my first Indonesian cigar, at the top of this boat in the heart of Indonesia, near Komodo Island. As an aficionado, I have to say, it's a bit strong. It's handmade, it's quite tasty. It's made of Indonesian tobacco, and I like it, to be honest. And it's quite cheap. I paid $3 for that little piece. It's the best thing to do, you know. You have the sun down and you smoke a nice cigar. You try to soak in the culture through the tobacco. After that, I will speak fluently Bahasa. This joke. And with that, yeah, let me talk a bit about the excursion we had. It's really nice. It's 2 nights and 1 day. 3 days and 2 nights. Quite picturesque areas everywhere we went. Padar Island was a bit too full of tourists. Many people in the morning, a lot of people gathering around. It was not my taste, but the rest was quite okay. Pink Beach was great. The turtles we saw, the snorkeling is great. You see Nemo, you see a lot of other fishes, and you see turtles. We was lucky enough to see no jellyfish or other thing. And you have also documentation. Look, our friend is the boss. He did a lot of nice stuff, drone coverage, photo coverage with the GoPro. Underwater, above water, on the sky, everything you can do with him. It's a recommendable tour to do, especially because the documentation is included, so you don't need to take care of that. Island tour coming to an end. Very lovely area, very lovely place. I'm at the top of the ship. Over there you see also a lot of other party boats and people who did the 2 nights, 3 days travel, and they are celebrating their final night at the bay. And this is the boss.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody.
He knows everything about every place here, and he was a very lovely guide to us, very lovely
Thank you so much.
orientation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us for this 2 nights and 3 days.
You're welcome, and I hope you be happy, you be enjoy during you do the trip.
Thank you so much. It was
Welcome.
really lovely. Your whole crew, very attentive. We did snorkeling together. We saw the Komodo dragon. We was at the Pink Beach, at the Padar Island.
We try to give it the best service to all the client, all the guests coming here. We make them comfortable with us, and then one day maybe they want to come back to here again.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yes.
It's amazing. You got like a lot of clients, right? Like, every week you do the tour?
Yes, every weekend. Right now, the situation here is the high season,
Yes.
starting from May until November,
Mhm.
even December. On December, the people like come to the all the another country.
Mhm.
They want to do the celebrate the Happy New Year on the boat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the special moment every year.
That's lovely.
Yeah, that's lovely.
It's the last stop on our trek, and from there you can see this is the top of the little hill. From here you can see this wonderful view. It's a nice place, it's a nice tour. You can do a lot of stuff here. Also, sleeping on the boat is a nice experience for 2 nights. So, really a lovely thing to do. Looking at the wonderful bay area of Labuan Bajo. This is where all the ships, this is where they took me for my travel. It looks amazing and wonderful. Wonderful sundown you can have from here. For 28 euros a night. So not that much to have this amazing view. Bye Flores. See you next time. Bye Komodo Dragon. Don't want to see you next time. Goodbye Flores. Goodbye Labuan Bajo. What a nice journey, what a pleasure to be here. Look at this amazing view of Labuan Bajo. Over there is Labuan Bajo, the port.